Okay guys, I just had a quick request on how to take off this tail wheel assembly without bending the springs. It's quite easy. Actually, you're gonna need a small screwdriver and a needle nose pliers. You're gonna take off this little screw right here and set it aside. It's a long screw. Take that aside. You're gonna lift this off and you'll see that there's the brass nut underneath there. You gotta rotate this forward to go across the Z-bands and it comes off just like that. It releases these two guys. All right, and also what I did was I actually took off the shock as well. So I'm just gonna use the needle nose pliers on this side. And then use the screwdriver on the other side. This will allow you to take the whole assembly off quite easily. So I've got this, let's go. So we have the nut and the bolt that just came off of the shock itself. And you can see that now the shock is free. And actually this head here, this brass head can move inwards or outwards here. They actually leave a few threads on there. So on my last video, I was showing these slides, how they come out. So it comes out just like this, and they get kind of floppy like this. To put it all back together, you slide the slides in. Run it all the way up. Go ahead and put the shock and line it up with the hole here. We're gonna put the nut and the screw back in. Pass that through. Make sure you don't drop these on your garage floor like I have a few times, because it was hard to find. So I will tighten this up in just a second, but let's get this, the head of this here. So it's gonna go on, make sure the upside down is up first. Get this into both of the Z-bands here. And let's rotate this 90 degrees like that. And then we're gonna put this right on there. Replace the screw. And that's how you can take out this thing without messing up your springs. Really, really easy. It's a brass insert, so don't over tighten. And we'll tighten up the shock in the back here while we're at it. Okay, some people may have this spring orientated the other way around, going instead from underneath from the top and reverse here. So you're just gonna have to deal with that as that comes along, okay? All right, thanks, bye.